Me, Lieutenant Colonel Arun Kumar Singh. Today I am going to tell you about how to download Diksha app. The Diksha app from the Play Store. The moment you go to Play Store on Android phone, you will get a window which is shown over here. On this window, the moment you write Diksha app download and search it like this, now you will get Diksha National Teachers this thing. You have to press install. Once you install this, the software gets installed on your mobile. You press open. The moment you press open, it will take you to the next page where it says choose the language, where you see that I have chosen English and press continue. The moment you press continue, it goes to next window where it says it's student, teacher or others. You select as other, and over here you have to select other and then you press on continue as other. The moment you press continue as other, it will take you to the next window where it says permit Diksha to access the following to give you an effective experience. You just grant an access. The moment you grant an access, it will take you to the next window where it says allow Diksha to record audio. Here you have to allow it. It may be the sequence may be different. The moment you say allow, it will take you to next window. It may say allow Diksha to access photo, media and files on your device. Press allow. The moment you press allow, it will take you to the next, which is now allow Diksha to take pictures and record video. You press here allow. Out of these three, sequence may be up and down. The moment you say allow, you will have this screen where you select board. Now you select a board. The moment you press on drop down of select board, it will show you this page where you go and select I got health. Select I got health and submit. The moment you admit submit, it will take you to the next page where you have got board. Now medium. From blue arrow you just press medium. You will get like this English or Hindi. Now see, I have selected English and press submit. The moment I press submit, it takes to the next, which is their class. Select class. You press on the right arrow drop box, select class. The moment you press select class, you will see the different options where doctors, nurses, volunteers, hygiene workers, etc. You just tick on volunteers and press submit. Once you submit it, it will show I got health, English, volunteers, your class. Now over here you don't see a subject, but now continue. For the moment you have continued, it will now show your location where I already filled state Delhi. Now district. So district it will take, like I am in Southwest Delhi, I will select Southwest Delhi and press submit. Once I press submit, it takes me to my location where it shows my location state is Delhi and district is Southwest Delhi. I can change it over here and press submit. If I want to change, I can this. But once I submit, it brings me to this page where it says see more books and contents or QR code. Right hand side you see there is a man made where press profile. The moment you press profile, it will take you to this page where you say guest, I got health, English, and class and subjects are not shown. You select class. The moment you select class, again you have to tick over here volunteers. You out of these class, you just select class volunteer and press submit. Now see, I have selected class volunteers. Now I'll submit it. Once I submit it, it will take to me to next drop box where is subjects. Now in subjects, I will select NYKS. Here I have selected myself as NYKS and submit it. Now you see my profile has become volunteers and subject I have become NYKS. You press save. Now your profile is saved. You have become member of NYKS. Over here now you see it's login / QR code. So over here you just go to the login. Now one thing I will like to tell you, once I press login, I have already logged in. So it is shortcut, I will log in with Google. Otherwise you have to create your enter mobile area and password So you fill it, then there's a short form you have to fill, and then you have to come to this page where it says now choose an account. I like my account is Hams and Fams vlogs. I select that. The moment I select, it takes me to the main page I come, and in this I can select QR code. Now the training material which is given, the shortcut is that you just go and scan QR code. This is the QR code we can take from another mobile or print medium which we have got, and we select QR code. We go to the QR code. It will bring me like I have selected guidelines on clinical management of COVID-19, and you press continue. The moment you press continue, it will take you to the video section where you see the guidelines on clinic management of COVID-19. Now I play this video and I have seen the training. I've got myself trained in this. The moment I get myself trained in this, then it has just, you have just completed. You can replay it, or you can go to this next window, or you can exit from the right corner where it is written exit. Suppose I press exit. I come back to this page again, and at the lower section you see that it is though 3 practice questionnaires are given. You have to attend at least 1 questionnaire, and I hope I have made myself clear to you all this. Thank you.